If you're learning about Kindle direct publishing, I say forget that. Do what I'm about to show you instead, because this is so much easier. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, Kindle direct publishing. There's a lot of moving parts that go into this, because most of the time you're going to hire a ghostwriter to create you your book, whether that's stories or whether it's fiction or non-fiction. You're still going to most of the time hire a ghostwriter, which is going to cost you money. Now, I say forget that business model. There's too many moving parts and it's going to cost you money if you have not got that. If you want to do it, go ahead and do that, but you should try doing this instead, and that is publishing low and no content books. So this is a no content book. If we zoom out a little bit, they've created the cover, and then the interior, if we look inside is just lined paper. So this is a low content book. Now you can do this completely for free, because as you probably know, you can have an Amazon KDP account completely for free, and then to upload your books it's completely free as well. And you can create these interiors within Google Slides. You can do it in Canva. If you join the Stackers Inner Circle, there's a link in the description down below. I actually give away a few different interiors, and in one of the videos I show you how to create the cover as well, or how to get the right dimensions. Now, the good thing about this, unlike creating a story or a real book, you can use this interior over and over again, just with a different cover. So you could make hundreds of notebooks, and all you would have to do once you've got that interior, this is just create a new cover. It's really, really simple. Now, you don't need any skills to do this either. When I started, I had no skills whatsoever. Didn't really have any design skills, just some basics which I've learned over the years, and yet I was able to create $1,000 book income within 3 months. And I'm no one special. Now, when it comes to notebooks or journals, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of different niches that you could publish books in. And there's no limit to how many books you can upload per day. You could do 5, 10, 15. Now, I personally upload anywhere from 5 to 20 a day. And that's what I do, and it's getting me some good results. But don't just stick to notebooks. There's so many other different types of books that you can create. So you could do sketchbooks. So you could create the interior, and then once you have that interior, all you have to do is create another cover. So you could do all these different types of sketchbooks in different niches as well. So doing this low content book publishing, or no content, is so much easier than having to get stories or books created by a ghostwriter. And also, you can run this business within just a couple of hours a day. Now, when you first start, it's going to take a while for you to get used to everything. You want to do your research, you want to create your books, you want to upload them, and then as the weeks and months go by, you get faster at doing everything, and you could literally create 20 books within an hour. Now, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to get my results, and a lot of people within this group or within this course are also getting results. And you can get there by going to printingprofits.com. .com with no G. And if you do want to learn more about this, you can also come over to the channel. I think I now have over 100 videos dedicated just to publishing no and low content books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.